Dear students, parents, welcome to Maxmin TC. So in this lecture also, let us continue our discussion related to the chapter 1 among 4-digit numbers. So we have learned about the place values, how to add those numbers. Then if you are given like few steps, how will you make a number and how can you represent a number in different forms, how many ones, how many zeros, how many thousands, like that. Okay, so in this lecture we will discuss about patterns. Okay, so if you are given a series of numbers, then you have to complete that pattern. Okay, so this patterns means what you have to do is like you will be given some 3 numbers and this 3 numbers follows a relation. So you have to find out that relation and complete the next set of numbers in this particular pattern. Okay, so that is what we will discuss in this video. So we will do some exercises based on this type of question. So that is there in your exercise list in your chapter 1, complete the pattern. So that is the set of exercises we are going to discuss in today's video. So we will use the same set of questions which is given in your textbook. Okay, so let's start with your first questions, your textbook question. So the first question is so the first question is, this is your question, 2100 2100 and next number is 22200 and the next number is 2300. One more 2300. So this is the question that is given. So this is the first 3 questions they have given and now you have to complete the series. You have to write 3 more numbers which is coming in this series. Okay, so now if you are given, so that is what, so you are asked now you have to find the other 3 numbers in this series. Okay, so that is what, so if you are given a question like this, what you have to do is like from these 3 given numbers you find out the relation. Okay, so what is the relation between your first number and second number, and you have to find out that, and then you have to check whether that is the same relation is applied between the second number and third number, and then you can make sure that okay, this is the pattern that they are following, this using this property they have created this series. So now you apply that property to your third number to find out the fourth number. Okay, and then you find out the fifth number and then you find out the next number, like that. Okay, so that is what you have to do. So let's do this exercise. Okay, so in your question what they have given, the first number is 2100, that was your first number, and your second number was 2200, that was your second number in the question, and your third number was 2300, so that was your third number in the question. So now you find out what is the like similarity between these numbers. Okay, so if you look at, so now you know the place values, right? So this is ones place, so you know the place value, right? This is ones place, this is ones place, right? This is tens place, and this is hundreds place, and this is thousands place. So now if you look at this number, ones place, all these ones place are same, right? 0. Tens place, that is also same, right? 0. And 100 place, it is different. Okay, so now if you look at this number, hundreds place is different and thousands place is also same. Okay, so now we have found out it is hundreds places different, everything else is same. So now you have to find out how it is different. Hundreds places different, but is there any relation? Okay, so now you observe carefully, you can find that 1. So hundreds place, in this number it is 1. And in the next number it has become 2. So now what is the relation? 1 plus 1 is 2, right? So you found out the relation as 100 place you are adding 1. Now, okay, that is the relation between the first number and second number. Okay, now you have to confirm whether that is the recurrent pattern. Okay, so for that, what you have to do, is that the same relation? You have to check, is that the same relation between your second number and third number? Yeah, now can you check? Yeah, we can check that. 2, if you add 1 to 2, what you will get? You will get 3. So that is the relation. Now we have identified the pattern. All other numbers or places are same. Ones place is same, tens place is same, thousands place is same, and only hundreds place is changing. And how it is changing? You are just adding 1 to the previous number. Okay, so what is 1? This was 1 in hundreds place, and you add 1 to this one, you will get 2. And now you add 1 to this one, you will get 3. Okay, so now how to generate your next number? Write all other numbers, thousands place, tens place, and ones place are same, and at hundreds place just add 1. Like that you can fill the series. So how to find? 2 is same because thousands place are same, and 100 place you just add 1. So 3 plus 1. What is 3 plus 1? It is 4. Okay. So the remaining numbers are same. 2400. That is the next number. And you are asked to write 3 more numbers in the series. So how to write the next number? 2. And now at 100 place you add 1. 4 plus 1, 5. So 2500. And the next number is 2, 6. At 5 place, 100 place you add 1. 5 plus 1, 6. 2600. So this is the answer. So this is how you have to address the question, like pattern. Complete the patterns questions. This is how you have to solve that problem. You write the numbers that is given and find out the relation, and then using that relation you build up the next numbers. Okay. So let's do the next question, which is given in your textbook. So the next question is 3300. 3300, then 3200, then 3100, and then you are asked to write the other 3 more numbers. So this is what the question. This is what is the question that is given in your textbook. 3300, 3200 and 3100. These are the 3300, 3200 and 3100. That is the 3 numbers that has been given, and you are asked to fill this pattern. For that is find out the 3 more numbers which is coming in this series. Okay, so let's do this. So let's write. What was the question? The question has been given as 3300. Let's write the numbers given. 3300, 3200, 3200 and 3100. So from this number you find out the relation. So ones place is same, tens place is same, and thousands place is also same. The only thing is hundreds place is different. Okay, so all other places are same and 100 places different. So now you find out, okay, how it is different. What is the relation? Is there any relation? So in this number it is 3, and in this number it is 2. So what is the relation between 3 and 2? Easy, right? 3 minus 1. You have to subtract 1. Okay, so from 3, if you subtract 1, you will get 2. Now you check whether that is the pattern. How will you check whether that is the pattern? You check whether that is the relation between this second number and the third number. Yeah, from this hundreds place it is 2, and this third number it is 1. So your 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, so now we have identified the pattern. What is the pattern? Hundreds place is decrementing by 1. Okay, So now here in this question, what you can do, okay, you can write the three places like thousands places like this itself, and then hundreds place you have to subtract 1. 1 minus 1, what you will get? 0. 1 minus 1, 0, and then the remaining things are same, 0. Okay. Now this is how you will obtain the next number. Now let's write the next number. You have to write 3 numbers. Okay, that is the question. In the question you have to fill the remaining 3 numbers. Now, okay, we can write the thousands place 3, and now in hundreds place what you have to do? You have to subtract 1 from hundreds place. But here there is a problem, right? What is the problem? See, your 100 place is already 0. Okay, so then what you have to do? You cannot, from 0 we cannot subtract 1. You can subtract only small numbers. Okay, you cannot, if you cannot subtract a large number from a small number. Only small numbers can be subtracted from the large number. So in such case, what you have to do is like you have to take these two numbers together. From the left number you make 30. You make two numbers together and subtract 1 from it. Okay, so in this case you cannot subtract 1 from 0. So in such case what you have to do is like you just take these two numbers together, 30 together, and subtract 1 from it. Okay, so we cannot write 3 here. What you have to do is you have to take these two numbers together. You have to take these two numbers together and then you have to subtract. Okay, 30, make this 30 together and subtract 1 from it. 30 minus 1, it is 29. Okay, then you write the remaining 0, 0, 2900. We have written like this. Why? Because from 0 you cannot subtract 1. Okay, so for that, in such cases you make these two numbers together, 30, and then subtract 1. 30 minus 1, 29. So our answer is still not complete. You have to write one more number. So but now it's fine. From 9 you can subtract 1. It is different in hundreds place only. So write the thousands place same too, just like the previous number. That is the relation. Previous numbers is thousands place is same, only 100 place is different. Okay, but here you cannot subtract 1. That is why we have written subtraction. That is the rule of subtraction. That is not because of the pattern, just because of the rule of subtraction we got like this 2900, and then from 9 you can subtract 1, right? So 9 minus 1, 8, 2800. That is next number. So like suppose if you were asked to write one more number, what you can do? You can write like the same way, continue the same way, 2700. But in this question you were asked to write till here only, 2800 only. Okay, so this is how you have to solve the problem of pattern, completing the pattern. Let's do the one more example. So one more question that is given in the textbook. So your next question is 5,000, 5,200 and 5,400. This is your next question. 5,000, 5,200 and 5,400. It is 5,200. Somehow it is not coming correctly. Yeah, it is 5,000. So your question is 5,000, 5,200 and 5,400. Okay, so let's do this. How you have to tackle this problem. Okay, 5,000, 5,200 and 5,400. 5,000, 5,200 and 5,400. Okay, so Now what we have to do? We have to find out what is the relation. Okay, what is the relation? In all the ones places same, tens places same, thousands places same, only hundreds places different. Okay, we identified that as very easily now. Now found out the relation. What is the relation? 0. In the first number it was 0 and the second number it has become 2. Okay, so what is the relation? You just added 2. 0 plus 2, 2. Now we have to confirm whether that is the relation. So 2 plus 2. What is 2 plus 2? It is 4. So the third number is also following the same relation. So that is the relation. Hundreds place you are adding 2. That is the relation. Okay. So now what you have to do? Complete the remaining numbers. How will you complete the remaining numbers? So you know there's only 100 places changing with 2. Okay. So thousands place we write as it is 5. 4 plus 2 it is 6. And then the remaining is also same 5600. And now the next one is also 5. 6 plus 2 8, and then the remaining numbers are same 5800. And now what you have to do, the next number 5 I have written like this, but 8 plus 2 here it is 8 plus 2 10. Okay. So in such case, when you get a 2-digit number, in such case 8 plus 2 is 10. Okay. So don't write 10 directly here. So in such case what you have to do is like when you add in this, like in the intermediate places at 100 place or 10s place, intermediate places, if you add something and if you get a 2-digit value, what you have to do is like you write second digit here, and then what you have to do is like this number you change by adding 1 to it when you get 1 or whatever the 2-digit number. So here 8 plus 2 is 10. So 10 is a 2-digit number. So you write 0 here and then add this 1 to this one. 5 plus 1 will become 6 now. Okay, so 5 plus 1, you have to change this 5 by 5 plus 1 6, and then the remaining you can write like this. So your number, the revised number now is 6000. Okay. So this is how you have to do when you get a 2-digit number 8 plus 2 10, because this is an intermediary place. Hundreds place is an intermediary place. In the intermediary place, if you get a 2-digit value, when you add something you get a 2-digit value, you have to write the second digit here. So 8 plus 2 is 10. So we write the second digit 0 here, and now change this number by adding 1 to it. So your resultant number is 6000. So now if you want to write the next one, suppose if you are asked to write the fourth number also, how will you write? So to this one you can easily add 2, 6 as it is, and then 0 plus 2, 2, 6, 2, 0, 0. You can write like this. Okay. So you have to remember such rules, otherwise you will get the wrong answer. Okay. So this is how you have to complete the pattern. I am repeating this question once again because this is like some other steps are also involved. So we have found out the relation as 100 places incrementing by 2. So 0 plus 2, 2, 2 plus 2, 4. So now what is happening? 4 plus 2, you got 6. 6 plus 2, you got 8. Okay. So now here, 8 plus 2, we will get 10. So we cannot write 10 here. So what you have to do is write 0 here and add 1 to it. Okay. So now add 1 to it. 5 plus 1 will become 6. So this answer is 6000. And the next number again continue the same. 6. Thousands place is same. 6. Only 100 place you are adding 2. 6 plus 2. 0 plus 2, 2, 6, 2, 0, 0, like this. Okay. So let's do one more example. So next question is 6500. Next question is 6500. 6500, 6300, 6100. And then you are asked to write 3 more values. Okay, so that is the question. You are asked to find 3 more values. So that is the question. So let's find out what is the relation. 6500, 6300, 6500, 6300 and 6100. Okay, let's write the numbers. 6500, 6300 and 6100. Okay, so now same way here also, as like the previous question, only 100 places change, remaining all same. And now for 100 place you find out what is the relation. 5 and 3, what is the relation between 5 and 3? 5 minus 2 is 3. Okay, so now you check whether that is the correct relation. So 3 minus 2, what is 3 minus 2? It is 1. So that is the relation. 100 place it is changing by 2. So let's write the next one. So now I am writing 6 as it is, and now 1's place 1 minus 2. We cannot perform 1 minus 2 because 1 is a smaller number than 2. Okay, you cannot subtract large numbers from smaller numbers. Okay, so in that case what you have to do is, in that place what you have to do is, like, you have to take this number, these two numbers together. Suppose whenever you cannot subtract this one from an intermediate place, you cannot subtract, you cannot perform the desired subtraction. What you have to do is, like, you have to take these two numbers together, 61 together, and then subtract 1. Okay, 61, from 61 how will you subtract? 61 you have to subtract 2. So from 61 if you subtract 2, what you will get? 61 if you subtract 1, we will get 60, and then you subtract 1 more, so you will get 59. Okay, so 5900. Okay, like this. And then what you have to do? Then what you have to do is, like, then it is remaining same. You can write 5 as such, and then 100 place again you subtract 2. 9 minus 2, you can do that. Okay, so it is 700. And then this one 5 you can write as it is, and 7 minus 2, it is 5500, like this. Okay, so here from 1 we cannot subtract 2. So you take the 61 together and then subtract 2. So from 61 if you subtract 2, you will get 59. So just because of subtraction rule you got 59 here. So then your rules is same. 1000 place you write as it is, and then 100 place you subtract 2. So from 9 we can subtract 2. So you got 7. And then 7 you can subtract 2. So you got 5500, like this. Okay. So one more example is there, and in the same question, in the same series, one more question is there. 8600, 8700 and 8800. So I will leave you that as an exercise for you guys. You complete that exercise, and then some more exercise, similar exercise are there in our textbook, so that we will discuss in the next video. I hope you understand this concept. So I encourage everyone to practice all these questions, because maths by practice only you will gain fluency. So I request everyone to practice all these questions. And if you want to receive more such videos, please do subscribe this channel, and please do like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you everybody.